If you need to update your phone number on your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu options or under your account name. Step 3. Select contact information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled contact information or personal information. Click on this to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes, and you may receive a confirmation message or email. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Wells Fargo account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer service for assistance.